Alright guys, we bought this little bird feeder right here. I'm gonna let the kids hang it. Looks pretty good so far. So we got some bird food too. So we're gonna let them hang it.
And always remember to like and subscribe.
Oh, he said it. Alright. Good job. Come on out here, baby. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and let the kids hang it in a little bit. And we're gonna go pick we're gonna go cut this tree right here first, guys. Look at the tree over there. Let me show you. So I'm gonna cut this branch right here because look at this. There's so much fruit. Look at this. Ridiculous. See? It literally snapped the branch. Right there, guys. Snapped the branch. Broke the branch because there's so much fruit. So we're just gonna go ahead and pick this, and then I'm gonna clean up the branch. Look at all the fruits. Wow, it's just crazy. So much. So, yeah. Ridiculous. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it right now, and then we're gonna put the bird feeder. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start picking. We're gonna pick this, and we're gonna pick that right there, and I'm gonna cut that one too right there.
Yeah, that one.
We're gonna cut this two right here, and then we're gonna fill it up in this bucket. Let's see how many fruits we get, guys. Okay, let's go. They're gonna start picking.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. The whole family's helping. All right. Hey, here's what we got, guys. Big old bucket of nectarine. Big bucket. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and hang this bird feed right here. This bird feeder. We're gonna hang it right over here, right on this tree right here. Right on this tree right here next to the fish pond. Next to my fish pond with all these plants that are growing everywhere. It looks like a swamp. So much stuff growing. You could hardly see the fish. And my dog is trying to attack the fish right here. There's a turtle in there too, guys. The doggy just scared the turtle. Alright, let's go ahead and hang this bird feeder, and then we're going to show you guys. Alright, here it is. We're just going to go ahead and fill her up. We're going to fill her up. Fill her up all the way. Let's just do half. Maybe fill it up all the way. Alright. I think that might be good enough. Put the rest right here, and there it goes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and close this up and hang it up. Close this up and go hang it up. Here's what it looks like, guys. Bird feeder. Let's go hang her up. Alright, let's see. I think a perfect spot would be hang her up right over here, guys. Right over here. Let's go and hang her up. Ooh, perfect right there. It's got a little bit of a perfect thing right here. Maybe a little bit higher. Let's see. I might even be able to put it right here. Let's try right here real quick. Will it fit? Yes, it will. There it is. All right. There it is, guy. Hung it up a little bit higher right there. Hung it up from this little tree branch right here that I cut. Boom. Perfect. Right next to my little fish pond. Okay, Let's see what kind of birds are gonna be eating it. Now, time to go get the chicken eggs. It's been like 3 or 4 days since I cleaned the chicken coop, so let's go clean the chicken coop and get the eggs, guys. It's coming right over here. Oh, what is this? Oh. You're right. Alright, guys, time to go ahead and collect the eggs from the chicken coop. The chicken's eating right now. Looks like one of them's laying an egg. So let's see if she's almost done yet. We're gonna see how many eggs are in there, guys. Oh, she's still laying. Let me go ahead and clean this too. There's a lot of poop in there. Looks like she's still laying an egg. I'm gonna get these eggs, guys. Let's go and get all these eggs. Alright. Alright, time to feed these fishy guys. Time to feed these fishies. Here they come. There they go. Looks like my dog wants to bother them. Let them eat, little. Alright, they're eating, guys. There it is. They are... Oh, they're getting big. Look at that one koi right here. This one's getting big, guys. Oops. They're enjoying this lovely pond. Some over here, they're gonna come eat over here too. Alright, we're gonna leave them alone, let them eat. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.